Good afternoon. We are OI Play School actually. OI Play School has started by Oak Ridge International School. And Oak Ridge International School, it was started by 2000 and it is a big school. It is one of the first IB school in Andhra Pradesh, and it is having around 3000 students throughout Andhra Pradesh. So we have two Oak Ridge International School in Hyderabad. One is in Gachibowli and second one is Bachupalli. So we have come up with a play school model, that is OI Play School, and OI Play School, this is actually franchisee module business, and we are looking for the franchisee for OI Play School entire for in Andhra Pradesh as well as throughout the country, and we will be following the same international pattern and same curriculum for OI Play School. So this franchisee expo is all about this franchisee and franchisee partners for OI Play School. And we have the experience around 17 years, and our main company, our parent company is People Combine Initiative Private Limited, and it was started in 1993, and we are into education, we are into infrastructure, we are into so many things like so education is one of the, we have Nalanda Talent School, we have Westwood Public School, we have Vikas Vidya Niketan. So, and this is the new venture OI, which is started by People Combine only. Yeah, our that we believe in the multiple intelligence with Howard Gardner, and we believe in the holistic development of the kid, because the early critical age, when we talk about the critical age, and 0 to 6 years, that is the critical age when the most of the development of the child is required. So all this development is taken care by us, and that is our main motto to every child require proper education and proper guidelines so that they can become physically and mentally and socially secure, and they can become a better citizen for to serve the entire country and as well as the nation internationally. So our vision is we are looking for 500 OI franchise school till 2015. And this is our journey has been started by today only. Look, nowadays play school business is like putting up infrastructure and putting up all this paint and all. It is, people think about that it is all about business, but actually the requirement, as I explained to you, that 0 to 6 years, it's a critical age where all the developments of the child require. There are 8 intelligence area which we have to secure, so we just covering on that area, so that are the things.